Hello everyone, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll show you how I create my products and how I pack them. I start off with these ultimate stationery journal packs in variation of classic. Well, if you already visited my Shopee shop, I have these in two variations, namely classic and novel. I'm making 10 packs here as you can see. This is in a Monday morning, last January 4. I already created novel packs the night before I filmed this. This pack contains different papers and ephemera that are perfect for vintage themed journal in a budget. These named calligraphy are specially made for mystery packs. For obvious reason, I cannot show you a clip of me packing some because it's a mystery pack. Price ranges from 99 to 199 pesos and usually includes a wide variety of stationery items from papers, packs of stickers, notepads, washi tapes, an A5 notebook, and sometimes pens. I thought that it would be great to customize them. So as you can see, here's a clip of me writing names for the packs. When I got orders for mystery packs, I always send a message to ask what name will be written. I also accept special orders, such as this one with a happy birthday. highly recommend this adhesive roller, best for journaling and crafting when using papers. The item is similar to a correction tape, and the loveliest thing about it is that it is refillable. When placing the name tags, I kind of want to rip the empty spaces for additional design. Look on how I can easily paste this paper using the adhesive roller. For further designs, I am placing some stamps using these wood circle stamps I got from Shopee. I also listed the links of the crafting products I'm using in this video so you can check them too. Have I ever mentioned that I have this little boy who keeps bothering me when I'm filming? He's my little brother who usually asks help searching for items in Minecraft or TikTok songs. And look at that tiny hand, so adorable. For the packing, I'm using my old phone here to check orders from the Shopee seller website. I'm using a legal size onion skin paper at 50 GSM I think for initial packing and secure it with cute stickers. First order in my packing list are 2 inspirational quote pack. This includes 24 pieces of 2x2 inches craft paper printed with inspirational quotes for your daily dose of positivity. 。 avoid dents or damage, which are most likely to happen because all of my products are mostly paper, I'm placing an illustration board to keep the parcel flat. For big orders, I sometimes use boxes to keep the items safe. So here's a long video of me packing orders. Enjoy! Sometimes, buyers request for packing videos for TikTok, and here's one. I feel like my videos are shadow banned because my videos used to get like 500 to 1,000 views, but now it only reaches like past 100. I would really appreciate if you check my account. I usually upload name requests, bullet journals, and sometimes unpacking videos. There you go, here ends my video on how I pack Shopee orders. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.